Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to create the edges rectangle in Blender which also does not require any complex method like step key. So let's get started. So first let's add plane in and let's rotate it on SSS, then scale it up the SS measure to apply the scale. So press Ctrl A to apply the scale of the object. Now go to edit mode and so divided it in 20 times. So wait, now let's go to object mode again. Now go to modifier and add in subdivision surface modifier to give in some more geometries. Now let's go to edit mode and again select the top edges and hold it all and split the select hold edges group. Now go to vertex group and in vertex group make sure to hit assign. Now go to object mode, so left it and in another object which would be very rough and this part now is move and upward. And now let's select our plane and go to constraint and add in new constraint and we want to bond the constraint to the copy scale. And now let's select our target to be this part and set the SS to be whatever we want. So for us this would be SSS, so uncheck Y and Z. Now let's select our plane and then add in cloth modify surface cloth and just select the person to be seen and then go all the way down and go to save and set the plane group to be our vertex group. And now if we go to collision, drop down and set collision and set the distance to be 0.005. And now if we select for path and hit play and if we scale down our part on the SSS, you would see that we are simulating a pretty good pattern. Now let we click and let it hit point on our timeline. Now let me select our button and set the mode. Now to apply this modifier, just go to modifier and apply the subdivision surface and cross modifier and also on the constraint to apply this copy scale and constraint. And now let us add in some more subdivision for even detailing in the object curtain. And there you go, we have a pretty cool curtain. Then this video hit that like button and subscribe. You can color it in the material. If you have a blender kit, you can do it in that. Consider subscribing for more great content and I will see you in next video. See you, goodbye.